talking about how to use a spinning rod and reel. Spinning rod and reel is very useful, it's very popular, and you can use it in all different types of fishing situations. The one we're using today has light tackle on it because we're doing inshore fishing. As you can see, we have the long rod here, and then the reel is mounted on the bottom of the rod. Now to hold the reel for the spinning rod and reel, you're going to put the reel in between each of your two fingers. Then to cast, you'll flip the bail, which is this metal part right here, to where it is open. Put your finger on the line to hold the line in place, and now you can cast. Before you cast, you always want to check around you, make sure you're not going to get stuck on anything. You should be able to put the rod behind you, flip out the line and let go of with your finger at the same time, and then close the bail so that the line does not continue to go out. Reel in a little bit, and hopefully you'll get something on the end of the line.